Has your Samsung Galaxy been displaying the wrong time or location? In this video, I'll guide you through adjusting your phone's region and time zone manually. Let's get started. Go to your phone settings. Then, take a look at the options and scroll down just a bit. Next, tap on General Management. This will bring up a menu with more settings. After that, find the date and time option. This is where you will find all settings you need for time and location. Tap on Date and Time. You will see options related to your phone's time and date settings. Check the Automatic Time Zone option. Make sure to toggle it off first. Next, select your time zone. Look for the option that allows you to choose your time zone manually. Then, tap Region to change. Here, you can choose a new region for your phone. Pick your desired region. For example, you might want to select the United States. After that, choose your state. Once you select your state, your phone will adjust the time zone automatically. And that's it! You successfully updated your phone's region and time zone. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.